What if AI could do more than just answer questions? What if it could solve complex business problems with precision, strategy, and reliability? Now that's why Anthropic is becoming one of the most important players in artificial intelligence today, and why businesses everywhere are paying attention. So in this video, we're exploring Anthropic's rapid rise, how its Claude AI models are challenging the biggest names in tech, and why specialized AI could completely transform the future of marketing and business growth. Stay tuned because this shift is happening faster than most people realize. So what is Anthropic? Anthropic was founded in 2021 by former OpenAI executives Dario Amodei and Daniela Amodei. Their mission was clear from the beginning: build AI systems that are not only powerful, but also safe, reliable, and aligned with human values. And investors quickly recognized the potential. Backed by tech giants including Amazon and Google, Anthropic has raised billions in funding and rapidly positioned itself as one of the biggest competitors to OpenAI. At the center of everything is Claude, Anthropic's family of AI models designed around three core principles: helpful, honest, harmless. But what truly sets Claude apart is its focus on specialized performance. Rather than trying to be everything for everyone, Anthropic has prioritized accuracy, reasoning, and long-form understanding, making Claude particularly powerful for business applications. Their approach, known as constitutional AI, trains models using built-in ethical frameworks and behavioral guidelines. The result is AI that produces more reliable outputs with fewer hallucinations and better decision-making. For businesses and marketers, that means stronger analysis, more accurate insights, safer automation, and AI-generated content you can trust. Anthropic's breakthrough moment came with the release of Claude 3. Almost overnight, the company moved from emerging challenger to genuine industry heavyweight. Then came Claude 3.5 Sonnet, a model that stunned the AI world with exceptional performance across reasoning, coding, mathematics, and long context comprehension. In several benchmark tests, Claude began outperforming competing models from OpenAI, particularly in areas requiring sustained analytical thinking. And this is where Anthropic's strategy becomes incredibly important. While many AI companies focused on general-purpose assistants, Anthropic concentrated on deep contextual understanding. Claude can process enormous amounts of information in a single conversation, ideal for businesses working with lengthy reports, customer data, research documents, or complex workflows. Imagine uploading a 100-page marketing strategy document and receiving detailed analysis, optimization suggestions, and campaign insights in minutes. That level of contextual intelligence is exactly why enterprise adoption is accelerating. Major platforms like Amazon have integrated Claude into enterprise ecosystems, while companies across search, analytics, and automation are increasingly adopting Anthropic's models. The message from the market is becoming very clear. Specialized AI is no longer experimental technology. It's becoming a competitive advantage. So what exactly is specialized AI? Think of general AI tools as a Swiss Army knife. They can do many different things reasonably well. Specialized AI, however, is designed to excel in very specific domains. That could mean coding assistance, creative generation, customer support, data analysis, marketing strategy, or operational automation. And this is where Anthropic is carving out its niche. Claude is increasingly being developed as what many call an agentic AI system, which is AI capable of planning tasks, executing actions, analyzing outcomes, and iterating intelligently. Instead of simply answering prompts, these systems can actively assist with workflows. For example, you can upload advertising performance data. Claude analyzes campaign weaknesses, identifies trends, suggests A/B testing opportunities, drafts revised copy, predicts performance outcomes, and recommends optimization strategies, all within a single workflow. That's a completely different level of AI utility. And according to Anthropic's own evaluations, specialized AI systems significantly reduce errors in targeted tasks compared to broader general-purpose models. For marketers, agencies, and business owners, this opens enormous opportunities. SEO analysis, content planning, customer segmentation, email personalization, sales forecasting, workflow automation. After reviewing all of this isn't simply about replacing manual tasks. It's about amplifying strategic decision-making. For businesses, specialized AI changes the game entirely. Generic tools often provide broad suggestions. Specialized AI delivers precision, and precision is what drives results. Anthropic's safety-first design also makes its models particularly attractive for enterprise use. Businesses need AI systems that are compliant, reliable, and less likely to generate harmful or inaccurate outputs. That matters enormously in industries dealing with customer data, regulations, and brand reputation. Early adopters are already reporting faster workflows, improved operational efficiency, and stronger marketing performance through AI-assisted systems. But this is only the beginning. As AI agents continue evolving, we're moving towards a future where specialized AI can manage entire sections of a business workflow autonomously, from customer engagement to campaign optimization and strategic reporting. For profile tree viewers, this presents a massive opportunity. The businesses that learn to integrate specialized AI now will likely gain a significant competitive edge over the next few years. Contact us to find out how. Anthropic's rise signals something much bigger than another AI company entering the market. It represents a shift towards smarter, safer, and more specialized artificial intelligence designed for real-world business impact. And as AI continues evolving, the companies that embrace these tools early will be the ones best positioned to grow, adapt, and lead. So what specialized AI tools are you exploring right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you subscribe for more deep dives into AI, business strategy, and digital marketing innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.